How to increase vibration intensity on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you increase vibration intensity on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the option sounds and haptic. Alright, so from the section sound and haptic, you'll have to go the option haptic. So haptic means the vibration on your iPhone, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from the haptic section or vibration, you'll get so many options from here. So like you can play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. So you can edit it, set the haptic settings from here. So unfortunately there is no any official way to increase the level of vibration or haptic intensity on your iPhone. So in this way you can change it from here. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.